How to set up a VS Code for Python. So setting up Visual Studio Code for Python development involves several steps, including installing the necessary softwares, configuring the environment, and I'm going to show you. So first of all, we have to download the Python. You can just, to do it, you have to just go to this website, python.org. Click on it. Now go to the download section here. Now click on download Python, the latest version. This is an installer here. Click on it and now you can just install the Python in your system. Right now, verify installation. Open a command prompt and terminal type here. Right, so let me just go to the search bar and command promote, right click on it, click on run as administrator. Right now here, once you have installed, it will show up. So here you have to just write Python, right, and space hyphen hyphen and version. In my system it's not installed, that's why it's not here. You can see Python was not found and run without argument to install from the Microsoft stores or disable the shortcut. So that's why it's not showing, but in your case if you have installed it, then it will show up here. Now the second thing is that you have to install the VS Code, right? That is a Visual Studio Code here. Now from where you can just download here, let me take you to Google, and here you have to just write download VS Code. Right now you will get this official link here, Visual Studio Code here. Click on it. Now here, if you're using Windows, then you can just go and click on here. For different platforms, there's a different option. Now the downloading has been started, and let's wait because this is an installer just like Python, so we have to install VS Code on our system here. Now the installer has been downloaded. Click on it. Now here you have to accept the agreement. Click on next. You have to select the folder. Again click on next and you have to install it. Now in our system we have installed the Python as well as the VS Code here. In my case I will close both the here, right? Now what's the next step? So here we have to install Python extension in VS Code. So open extension panel, click on extension icon in the activity bar or the side of VS Code, or use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus X. Right, in the search bar type Python and install the extension provided by Microsoft. This extension adds essential features like IntelliSense, linting, debugging support, and more. Now install additional extension. This is optional, you can just read it if you want to. Now the next step is, that is the last step, that configure your Python environment. Press Ctrl Shift plus P to open the command palette. Type Python, right, select interpreter and choose your install Python version from the list. And here create a virtual environment, right? So this is optional, by the way. If you want to do it, then that's why I've added the information. Now you can just create and run your first Python program on your VS Code. And here I have mentioned also the information. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.